some games get old, Skyrim somehow refused. Sa dami ng RPGs na lumabas after nito, ang weird isipin na hanggang ngayon, may mga tao pa ring bumabalik sa Skyrim like it just came out. At gets ko kung bakit. Kasi Skyrim isn't really about the main story, it's about freedom. Freedom na gawin kahit ano. Pwede kang maging warrior, mage, assassin, thief, bounty hunter. O simpleng magnanakaw ng random na tinapay sa village. At yun yung magic niya. Habang naglalaro ka, ang dali mawala sa mundo niya. Minsan, mag-uumpisa ka sa isang quest, tapos after a while, nasa random cave ka na fighting vampires or looting ancient ruins. Walang ibang game na ganun ka-natural yung feeling ng exploration. At yung world itself, solid pa rin. The music, the snowy mountains, the villages, the dungeons, everything feels like may sarili siyang story kahit wala kang kausap. Pero syempre, hindi perfect. Yung combat medyo luma na by today's standards. Medyo clunky, medyo basic. At oo, andyan pa rin yung Bethesda bugs na minsan nakakatawa, minsan nakakainis. Pero weirdly, hindi siya enough para masira yung experience. Kasi Skyrim gives you something most modern RPGs still struggle to do. Real freedom. Hindi yung freedom na scripted. Freedom na ikaw talaga bahala kung anong klaseng player ka. And that's why hanggang ngayon, Skyrim is still one of the most replayable RPGs ever made. Ilang beses na kayo gumawa ng bagong character sa Skyrim pero hindi natapos yung main quest?